everyone, it's Justin here, and today we're taking a look at some great smart home tech from DREO. We're heading over to CES to check out their whole exhibition of products in their lineup, from milk frothers to air fryers, air conditioners, fans, and so much more as part of a whole home collection. And the best part about it is that they have a very versatile lineup, but at the same time come in at prices that are relatively affordable compared to the other competitors out there, while being very well designed and feature packed. So the first time I actually came across DREO was at a trade show in Berlin, and they actually handed us a steak while we were walking by, as they were also demonstrating at CES 2025, as well as making some lattes on their milk frothers, which we're going to talk about as well. But after doing more research, I found out that DREO was actually one of the top tech home brands with a very diverse lineup that I had to check out for myself. And I feel like especially last year, we covered a lot of kitchen tech products, including great air fryers as well as coffee tech, that this stuff is just right up my alley in terms of the products that I personally like to use as someone who started cooking a little bit more. I'm also going to be giving away one smart home product to one of you guys, so just go ahead and make sure you drop a like on this video, leave a comment down below as to what you're going to use these products for, as well as your Instagram username, because we'll be contacting the winner directly on Instagram in 2 weeks. And a huge thanks to DREO for sponsoring this video. So let's go ahead and take you guys to CES in Las Vegas, where we get to check out all of the latest tech innovations and specifically what DREO is working on. So now we're at the DREO booth at CES 2025, and we have a lot of home tech to check out. As you guys saw, we have all the products in our office, from the kitchen to the office to the living room to your bedroom. They have products for you at different price points and different offerings for you to go ahead and check out. And so here we are. They have a really fun F1 simulator over on the corner there, which I'm going to try out, and how they've integrated it with their PolyFan is really interesting. And they also have their highlight of their partnership with the LA Kings here as well. But let's go ahead and talk about some of the products. And the ones that we're going to be taking a look at closely start from the kitchen, including the Chefmaker, Chefmaker 2, the BaristaMaker, Barista Air, and they also have their whole lineup of fans, humidifiers, air purifiers, air conditioners, and also products that are able to do multiple things at once, including heating, cooling, and purification functions as well. And I think what you're going to notice is that everything is very feature packed, well designed, and as someone who's always trying to find tech to optimize my home space, this is really interesting. So over here we have the fan lineup, and starting with the smaller options right here, these are good for a desk or a bedroom, and some of the models also have the ability to give you heating and cooling all in one, depending on the time of year. And as we move over here, you can see they have the tower fans, which are very stylish. And again, depending on the functions that you need, whether it is the timer options or being able to have room sensing options, these tower fans are competitively quiet and powerful. And they also have smart functions that allow you to control it through Wi-Fi or the remote. And as we move over here, this is their new PolyFan. It is a fan that is really small, doesn't take up too much space, and it's good for any apartments or bedrooms, but it is extremely powerful. It is actually able to fill a room very far, and at the same time, there's RGB functions built in as well. So if you want to have like different room effects and just have that multi-function aspect, you can have that. But what is cool about some of the models specifically is that you have one right here that has like your standard oscillation, tilt, fan power, as well as scheduling, and you also have the ability to control it via Wi-Fi. But they actually also have one that is presence sensing. And so as you stand in front of it and as you move by and it senses that you're in the room, it will turn on and keep you cool without like wasting any energy keeping it on while you are away from it. And here at CES, as you guys have seen, I have a little demonstration of the racing sim where they've actually hooked it up to the game. And while I'm accelerating, it gives me that wind effect, just to give me that boost of adrenaline, to just show the amount of power and precision adjustability that this PolyFan is able to have. It is their wind motion simulator, and it examines the connection between technology and sensory experiences using a modified DREO fan that dynamically adjusts the airflow according to the driving speed in the game for a realistic racing experience, demonstrating their brushless motor and IoT technologies. So this is a look at the DREO air conditioner, and it has a power of 14,000 BTUs. And so I personally actually have an air conditioner unit that I purchased that I have in the office. But what is unique about the one from the DREO lineup is the fact that it is 11.5% quieter than the competitor, but it is also drainage free. So this right here is part of DREO's multi-comfort series, and it is essentially an all-in-one system, and it looks like just a tower fan, but it actually has heating and cooling capabilities, and it's able to do that in a very powerful manner. But another multi-purpose product is the air purifier fan. It has obviously the function of being able to keep you nice and cool, but it also has an air purification as well. And I think the design of it looks so good. You just gotta see it through, it looks so clean. And the fact that you have a lineup of products that has heating specifically, cooling specifically, air conditioning, air purifying, while also having the option to combine those functions, you really can find something specific to what you need in your home. So this is the DREO humidifier, and it has the option to give you cool mist and hot mist. And that is awesome because I feel like a lot of times humidifiers don't have as much customization. And so this one right here, thanks to the mist wave technology, not only gives you that option, but it also delivers 40 inches of mist height, and it uses ambient light to actually show you whether it has a dry, comfort, or wet mist. So first things first, take a look at the air fryer itself. It is very nice and slim. It fits in your kitchen. It blends into the design very nicely, at least in my setup right here. And on top of that, it has a bunch of functions that you can use, whether you decide to use the Chefmaker algorithm, as well as the probe, or just manually fine-tuning the temperature and the time depending on the instructions of the food that you're cooking. But the best part about it is that it will give you a professional level result with little to no work. Just place your food in there, input some of the instructions, and from there you monitor the temperature, and then you are good to go. It brings food science and chef mastery together and utilizes the world's first self-cooking technology thanks to intelligent algorithms that allow Chefmaker to be fully automated, that handles the temperature, the time, and the atomization itself by placing water through here, where it'll actually add the moisture back to the food, because a lot of times with the air frying process, all of that moisture is taken out. So you ensure you have a meal that is well cooked, but still nice and savory and juicy. And I also love the fact that everything is controlled with this little touch capacitive screen right here, and you can switch between the modes of chef mode, classic cooking, probe cook, or your favorites. And from there you can select your type of protein and the specifics of it, and also follow some preset recipes right here. And as you can see from the steak demonstration at CES 2025, they showed us how you can make a perfect steak thanks to the fine-tuned automatic algorithms, and I mean, it looks like it came straight from a restaurant. So a product that I was particularly very excited to check out from DREO is the BaristaMaker. This right here is the BaristaMaker Air, and this is the BaristaMaker Milk Frother. This is like the main large flagship model. It has all of the functions, and this is a more portable model that they launched at CES 2025 that still has a ton of multi-function features, but at a smaller form factor and more affordable price. Beginning with the BaristaMaker Milk Frother, I love the fact that you can just go ahead and lift it up and directly be able to have a good grip on pouring your latte art. And that is something that this is able to froth the milk to that level of perfection. It features 30 foam options for any coffee style, because you can go ahead and select on the touch capacitive buttons the different types of milk, as well as the texture you're looking for, the heat, and also the speed. And from there you can really figure out what is perfect for you. This really is the ultimate milk frother, and it doesn't necessarily have to be coffee, it can be anything, and this machine is able to handle that. The BaristaMaker Air, on the other hand, has the same kind of gist of functions. You have your dairy froth on the top for latte art, as well as foam or cold foam, and below that you have your non-dairy milk for latte art, foam, and cold foam, as well as a stir mode for hot and cold. So I think for most people, you don't actually need all of the crazy functions and the customizability, and the BaristaMaker Air already has more features than all of the competitors on the market at a more affordable price, whereas the BaristaMaker Milk Frother has a ton of different functions that you can really narrow down and customize, and I would say for at-home professionals out there, this is the perfect option. So the next product that was a big highlight for DREO at CES is the PolyFan, and this one in particular is the 508S. They have a lot of different models that have different functions, but the gist of it is that when it comes to design, very streamlined and also very powerful, while also remaining portable and minimal as well as you move it around and place it strategically around your home. It features a one-touch turbo cooling, which gives you a power of up to 997 CFM, which reaches 87 feet and speeds of up to 23.6 feet per second for instant cooling in large spaces. So if you put it on one corner of the room, you can expect that it will able to deliver cooling all the way across to the other perimeters of even a large living room and kitchen like it have it right now. It also runs really quietly at just 23 decibels thanks to its brushless DC motor with up to 120-degree vertical and horizontal oscillation that you can position exactly where you need it to, or just have it in a fixed position. You can also use the smart ambient control and cycle through a selection of up to 16 million RGB lights. So especially at night, if you want to just add a bit of ambiance, this doubles as a nice glowing LED light as well, in addition to a cooling fan. For those who are looking for a combination of a purifier and a fan, this is the smart 2-in-1 tower fan. As you can see, it has a purifier built in, and all of those elements are down here, but the rest of it is a full functioning tower fan to be able to keep you nice and cool. And I mean, the design is incredible. You'll be able to see through it and its clear finish as the fan motor circulates, and it just delivers so much power, but at the same time, it is purifying the air going in it at the same time. It features a dual true HEPA filter electrostatic filtration system that is able to trap 99.9% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns. And as someone who has a few air purifiers around the house, being able to combine those two functions into one is awesome. So after checking out the BaristaMaker and the Chefmaker, as well as the rest of the DREO lineup, it is also really cool how everything has been integrated through the artificial intelligence of things, also known as AIoT. From being able to control the appliances and the smart home products from the DREO app, to also being able to use AI in the Chefmaker to make certain recipes, and being able to automate the processes, DREO has used AI technology to not only be able to integrate, but also give you a smarter experience when using their products on an everyday basis, while tying everything together and also giving you control through your smartphone. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching this video as we went to CES with DREO to check out their booth, as well as all of the innovations that they're working on. And it really is a whole collection of home tech products that are able to cover every aspect: heating, cooling, as well as tech that is in your kitchen, daily cooking routine, your morning coffee. If you're looking to build your home tech setup for the year as part of your daily routine, I'm gonna drop a link to all the DREO products down in the description section below, and I'll see you all in the next one.